In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the simple steps to change your YouTube profile picture directly from your mobile device. Your profile picture is an important part of your online identity, and we'll show you how to personalize it in just a few moments. This method works on both iOS and Android devices. The first step is to open the YouTube mobile app on your iPhone or Android device and ensure you're logged into your YouTube account. Once logged in, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will bring up a menu, and you'll want to go to your YouTube channel. On your channel page, you'll see 2 or 3 buttons on the right side. Click on the pencil icon, which will open the YouTube channel editor. Here, you can update your name, handle, cover photo, and of course, your profile picture. To change your profile picture, tap on it. You'll then have the option to select an image from your gallery or take a new photo using your camera. I'm going to select an image from my gallery. After that, simply crop the photo to choose the part you want to display as your profile picture. Once you're done, tap Save in the top right corner, and your YouTube profile picture will be updated. It's quick and easy. If you found this helpful and want more tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe to App Tutor, and I'll see you in the next video.